Hi, let's see how you can start the recording task. First, copy the Android app link I have sent you in chat or in the PDF. Copy it and paste it in your Google Chrome browser. Then click OK to download it. I have already downloaded and installed it, so I will skip this one. Now open the app from your home page. Here select account login and from the drop down menu select the server. I will tell you which server you need to use. So I will use here India. Now for the account and password, I will send you account and password for each person according to your language. So copy that account and password and paste it here. Now click login. After clicking login, you will see the app home page. Now at the bottom of the page you see the task Hindi India. You will see your task according to your language. Now where it is written received, you will see here get. So you will need to click that get button. I have already clicked get, so it is showing received. After clicking the get button, you will see the task in your task tab. So here the task already received in this account. Now all you need to do is click the start button. After clicking the start button, you will see the recording page and the words which you need to use for creating sentence. Here you can see the word is written on the top. So what you need to do is just use that word and create a sentence. Imagine and create a sentence, then say that sentence. Before that, click the recording button and say that sentence. First you need to imagine what sentence you want to say. After imagination and creating the sentence, then click the recording button and say that sentence. Now after recording one sentence, you can go to click the next sentence and go to the next sentence. And here on the right side you will see broadcast button. If you want to hear or play the recorded sentence, you can click that broadcast button. After finishing all the words, you can submit it and wait for the report. Now when you have submitted, you can check the status of your submission by going to this going to sentence list. To go to the sentence list, you need to click here in the task name where you see the Hindi India written. So click that text, click on that text Hindi India. So after clicking on the text, you will see all the sentences list here or the words list here. So here under review and start, the sentences are not yet recorded, so it's asking you to start the recording. And I was using this 4 sentences for the sample recording, so these are the under review. It thinks it is already recorded, so click so you can open and re-record that sentence. To re-record or open that recording page, you can click on the under review or start button here. You can see I can re-record here if I click the recording button. So let's imagine that here the word is camera, so I can create two kind of sentence, like I have bought a camera, and in this sentence I have used the camera word directly, or I can create another kind of sentence like I want to take a picture. So here in this sentence the camera word is not directly used, but it is related to the camera. So you can create the sentences like this. Either you can use the word camera directly, or you can use the word indirectly, but related to that word. And here when you click the recording button, let's say I have clicked the recording button, I will wait 1 or 2 seconds, then start saying that sentence. After saying that sentence, I will also wait 1 or 2 seconds, and then start the click the stop button. Like this you will record them. And if you want to hear the recorded audio, you can click the broadcast button. The audio will be played to you. So this is how you will record all the sentences. So if you have any questions, please ask me. I will try to help you and solve the problems. And after submission, you will need to wait 1 or 2 days for our checking, and you can always come back to this page, the sentence list page, to see the update about your recording. You will see under review or past or revision request, something like that. So thank you. Let me, if you have any issues, just message me. Thank you.